Hi everybody, I'm Mallory from Zeplin, and today I'm going to be talking about Zeplin's brand new screen variants feature, which was released on the 27th of May. It's one of our most popular features to date, being used over 50,000 times in the first week alone, so let's jump in. Inside your project you may be familiar with this setup. Multiple versions of a screen all clustered together in a section with only the naming convention or perhaps tags to sort through them. You can define screen variants in two different ways. Firstly, inside of Zeplin you can drag and drop variant screens onto the default screen. Zeplin will automatically convert them into a screen variant stack. You can also define screen variants from within your favorite design tool, whether that's Figma, Sketch or Adobe XD, by adding -V to the screen or artboard name. When published to Zeplin, they'll automatically be identified as screen variants. Inside the screen variant, your variations are presented along the top. You also have the option to rename and rearrange these variants, as well as remove them from the screen variation stack. Remember, the behaviors of renaming your screens in Zeplin can be controlled from the Zeplin plugin inside of your design software. Now we have three methods of organizing in projects: sections, tags, and screen variants. You can add tags to all screen variants by right-clicking and applying a tag or individually at the screen level. Selecting a tag will break out screen variant stacks into the individual screens, so the usefulness of tags hasn't been impacted at all. This being said, I would like to advise against using screen variants for user journeys and user flows. These are far better defined using tags or sections. Other potential uses for screen variants includes breakpoints, light and dark mode, screen exploration, and user views. So that was screen variants for our Zeplin agency members. If you have any further questions about what you've seen today, or want us to cover something different in Zeplin or about Zeplin and your workflow, reach out to your Zeplin representative. Otherwise, message me directly at mallory@zeplin.io. I'll see you next month.